Hi friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to my space. Today what I'm preparing is potato salad and chicken, but I've not decided what I want to do with the chicken right now. If I want to make it if I just want to roast it or want to add the barbecue sauce to it, or just follow me and let me quickly walk you through the ingredients that I'll be using. This is salt, this is chives. I'll be slicing this for the potato salad, and this is the eggs I'll be boiling. I have red onions and 1 shallot. This is carrot, and I'll be using this chili mayonnaise for the sauce. This is mustard seed, but in puree, or in paste rather, in paste. And this is mayonnaise that I'll be using. Then, like I said, I'm still contemplating if I should use barbecue sauce or I should just marinate the chicken and just kind of roast it. I already have my pots on fire. And I'm going to be adding the potato inside the water. But first, I'll kind of steam it. I'm going to show you how I do it. So this is what I've done to the potato. I've tied them in bags because I just want them to steam. I don't want them to cook and be soggy. So this is the way I do it. Mind you, this one is baby potato, the golden baby potato. So it's one of the ways you can actually have it in whole if you do it like this. So, and I'll be adding salt to this water that I'm putting them. So I'll get to the preparation of other things. Right now, I will have to start to boil the eggs. As well. So this one is chicken wings. I'm using the 3-pack. So I've just finished marinating the meat. You can use anything you want. That's up to your preference. I'll take it to the fridge for 30 minutes. Then we'll start to do what we need to do. The potato is done, so you can see through. So I'm just going to kind of dice this one. So I'll be removing it from the fire. Here is the pan for the chicken. This is sesame oil. That's what I'm going to use to stir fry the chicken, kind of for the roast or toast. For the roast or toast. So we'll be putting it. I've reduced the fire. I'll be using another frying pan to start working on the other one. This is how I pan roast the chicken. So I'm adding the chicken. This is the second bowl. Adding the onions and garlic for more flavor. Make sure they all have their space so they can roast very well. Let's move over to the preparation of the salad. This is the shallot. Here's the egg, the carrots, the shallots, the purple onions. That's what I love to call it because it's purple, it's not red. Then the chives. Then this is the potato. I'm already dicing it. Just want you to see. Then the chicken. One pot is ready and the other is still cooking. So I'm thinking I'll leave one pot like that. Then I will, add barbecue sauce to the other pots. So just keep watching and see what I'm doing here. I'm going to add barbecue sauce. That is it. This is coriander leaf. I'm just going to add some sprinkles. The kitchen smells amazing. So I'm just going to leave it for like 3 more minutes. Then we are done with this. Here's the bowl. So I'm going to be putting all the sauce that I'm going to add. This one is another brand. You can see the colors. Okay. I already have this at home. So I'm adding black pepper. Chicken is ready. There's a vegetable I'm missing here, and I'm sure I have it. That's celery. Let me see. I have celery. That's the celery. So I'm adding the celery into the bowl of potato, the shallots, the onions, some of these, some of the chives, the carrots, the eggs, I'm turning in the sauce. You can see even the potato is not breaking because of the way I boiled it. Yes, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. You can see dinner is served. Please, if you have watched up to this time, please do me this favor by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you share and make sure you like as well. God bless you. I'll be seeing you in another video. Keep basking in the joy of the Lord.